Hello everybody, and welcome to our Pull Tool Guide tutorial. And I can see when I hover over Pull that it allows me to offset, revolve, sweep, draft, and blend. So let's investigate some of these other options which are located in our tool guide. So we can start off with our draft, and I'll select our side that I want to draft, and I'll come over and select our draft tool guide, which allows me to select an alternate reference, which I'll choose for the top. Now I can draft it, hit spacebar, and enter in the value I want it to draft. That's nice. So now we'll go to our next one. And I'll select our small edge there. Let me rotate around. And I'm going to select sweep this time. So now I'm going to double click. Oh, that's not really the loop I wanted. So I'll double click again to get our next loop. And now I'll tell it to do a full pull, and we can watch it sweep around the edge to create a nice little flange. Next, I'm going to select this surface, and I go to pull it out, and we see that's probably not what I wanted. I really wanted to extend it more. So now I'll select our direction. So I wanted to pull up, I can select that corner, and that surface basically pulls up into a solid. But maybe what I actually wanted to do was direct it more horizontally. So I'll select our bottom edge and I'll pull it out this way. So now I'll do our last tool guide and I'll use revolve. So I'll select the edge I want to revolve around, and I can either drag it however much I want to, or I can also select a full pull and have it go all the way around. So actually I left out one hidden tool guide at the bottom, and we can see that that is going to be the up to tool guide that only shows if you already have selected a surface, because now I want to pull this up to our top and everything snaps into place. I hope you've learned a lot during this tutorial and can use them later on. Thanks for watching.